Best under cabinet ranges for modern kitchens. An under cabinet range hood is essential for every kitchen. It removes smoke, odors, and grease from the air. This ensures a healthier cooking environment. Range hoods also add style to your kitchen design. Various models exist, each with unique features and benefits. List number 1. Two-tone 273603 Eclipse. Elevate your kitchen with the brand new Tone 273603 Eclipse range hood. The sleek stainless steel cover adds modern style. Enjoy powerful ventilation with its impressive 500 CFM airflow. This 36-inch downdraft hood efficiently removes smoke and odors. Designed for easy installation and hassle-free cleaning. Enhance your cooking experience with this stylish, functional appliance. Advantages. Powerful 500 CFM airflow eliminates cooking odors efficiently. Sleek stainless steel design complements modern kitchen aesthetics. Space-saving downdraft feature suits compact kitchens perfectly. Easy-to-use controls enhance user-friendly operation. Durable materials ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. List number 2. Inch under cabinet range. Enhance your kitchen with a sleek 30-inch under cabinet range hood. This smart vent hood offers 900 CFM power. Easily control it with a touch sensor or remote for convenience. Dual LED lights illuminate your cooking area beautifully. Baffle filters ensure efficient air purification. Convertible to duct or ductless for versatile installation. Advantages. Efficient air circulation keeps your kitchen fresh and odor-free. Smart vent hood offers easy control with touch sensor and remote. Dual LED lights enhance visibility during cooking activities. Baffle filters provide effective grease and smoke removal. Convertible design allows duct or ductless installation flexibility. List number 3. Cosmo QS 7530 inches. Under. Discover the sleek Cosmo QS 75 range hood, perfect for modern kitchens. With 500 CFM power, it removes smoke fast. Permanent filters make cleaning easy and save money. Bright LED lights ensure clear cooking visibility. Complement your kitchen with the Black Plus Decker microwave oven. It features a turntable and child safety lock for worry-free use. Advantages. Elevate your kitchen with the Cosmo range hood and microwave. Both offer practical features that enhance daily cooking tasks. Enjoy a quieter kitchen. The range hood operates with low noise. Efficient ventilation keeps your kitchen fresh and clean. Say goodbye to frequent filter changes. Permanent filters save time and money. Easy to maintain for long-term use. Illuminate your cooking area effortlessly. Bright LED lights offer clear visibility. Energy-efficient lighting for a sustainable choice. Secure cooking with child safety lock. Microwave ensures peace of mind for families. Protects young ones from accidental use. Easily accessible push-button door. Microwave simplifies opening and closing. Convenient for quick access. List number 4. Sakura B53 Plus 30 Stainless. Transform your kitchen with the Sakura B53 Plus 30 Stainless under cabinet range hood. Equipped with dual DC motors, it ensures powerful yet quiet operation. The 1200 CFM exhaust vent efficiently removes smoke and odors. Enjoy bright cooking with dual LED lights. Heavy-duty baffle filters provide easy maintenance and durability. Experience cleaner air with its air purifier feature after cooking. Advantages. Efficient ventilation. The dual DC motors provide powerful and consistent airflow. Quiet operation. Enjoy cooking with minimal noise from the super quiet system. Bright illumination. Dual LED lights offer excellent visibility while cooking meals. Effective air purification. Filters and purifiers remove odors, keeping your kitchen fresh. Durable design. Stainless steel and heavy-duty baffle filters ensure long-lasting use. List number 5. Two-tone 24-inch wall. Upgrade your kitchen with the brand new Tone 24-inch wall mount range hood. Its sleek stainless steel design adds elegance. The powerful 460 Max Blower CFM ensures efficient smoke removal. 3-speed exhaust fan offers flexible ventilation options. Built-in light brightens your cooking space. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher kitchen atmosphere. Advantages: elegant design enhances any modern kitchen decor. A stylish touch. 3-speed fan ensures optimal ventilation. Keeps air fresh. Convertible feature offers flexible installation options. Fits your needs. Built-in light improves cooking visibility. Illuminates your workspace. Durable stainless steel construction promises long-lasting use. Reliable choice.